Hi guys, today we're going to be making fried rice and we're going to be using lots of vegetables. So the first things we're going to use is obviously carrots, peas, some broccoli, onions, shredded hot dog or sliced hot dog, green peppers, yellow peppers and red peppers. Then we're going to use prawns. I personally like to use two different sizes just for dimension in my food, so I use the king prawns and the smaller ones. So these are all the vegetables we're going to use for this meal. The next thing we're going to use are obviously spices, salt, black pepper, curry, thyme, and obviously Niger Atagungo. Also, we're going to use cube seasoning. This is just what I prefer. I use about 3, and you're going to use at different points of the meal. The first thing you want to do is to boil your rice. Now we're going to boil the rice in some water and chicken stock. Then you want to add some curry, some oil, some salt, thyme, 2 bay leaves. Now the oil is just so that the rice doesn't stick together. We don't want that. We don't want mushy fried rice. Then you're just going to allow it to boil for a few minutes. Now we're going to let it boil to the point where it's edible but it's still hard. So basically you want to be able to break it if you put it with some force. Once that's boiled for about 10 minutes, I just take it off the burner to cool off. Now whilst that's done, you just want to put some oil on a wok. This is the kind of pan I prefer to use for this type of fried rice, and I heat it up a bit. Once it's heated up, I just put in my onions. I like to put my onions first because I like the taste that it gives when I first caramelize my onions. Once it's hot, I add my remaining vegetables and my shredded hot dogs. After that, I give it a good stir and then I put my cube seasoning. I just put 1 first, then I put curry, and then I put thyme, and then I put pepper, and I put black pepper, and I put atagungo. Atagungo is the Nigerian word for, or the Yoruba word for grounded pepper, so that's what I'm just adding now. Once that's cooked for a bit, I add in my other vegetables, which are the peas, the carrots, and the broccoli. These ones were frozen, so I had to defrost them a bit, and then you just stir them in. The next thing we're going to do is now put in our prawns, which is like the highlight of the meal for me. I love prawns. They're so yummy. These ones are already cooked, so I don't want them to be too overcooked, so if not, they'll become rubbery. Next thing, you add in your pre-cooked rice. Now you can do this in batches depending on the quantity you're cooking. So you add some, you stir in, you add some, you stir in, but I just like to add mine all at once because I'm not cooking like for 10 people. I just stir it. Now notice my hand movement. I'm stirring it from bottom up. Then I put my seasoning. I put seasoning and then I taste it just to be sure I'm fine with it. You know, we've already spiced the vegetables and also we've already seasoned the rice as well when we cooked it, so you don't want it to be too salty. Once you're sure it's perfect, that's all really. This meal takes about maximum 25-30 minutes to make, and then that's it. You serve it like some nice roasted chicken and with a tall glass of water. So make sure you like this video and you share and you subscribe. Thank you.